This is Jenna.
And this is Shelby.
And welcome to our Crackhead channel. This house is a nightmare.
Salute. Okay, so for this week, I did Shelby's makeup. And it actually didn't turn out that bad.
It really didn't. I was impressed.
I just kind of, I literally was so stressed, but I was just trying to make sure I went through every step, and you'll see, I kind of like, I don't know the names of anything, and I just was like, this one looks like a good one, so.
But, yeah, it actually looked really good. So, it's fall right now, but we live in Texas, and so it's really cold. So, we're feeling...
It's 65 degrees. It's really cold.
Listen, I don't like cold weather, so yes, it's cold
I don't
outside.
either. But it's windy, which makes it worse.
Yeah.
So I was like, let's do a winter weather.
So she really wanted to try blue, but it's hard. I don't even really play with blues that much unless I'm doing like a look that we did with you with Lover. So it was kind of, I was proud of you for how good you did, because even I struggle using blue sometimes. She had a picture of Pinterest that she wanted to recreate. Didn't come out exactly how she wanted it, but
close.
it was pretty close. I'm not mad about it. But yeah, so we wanted to do like a winter vibe. So she did this bluish, brownish look, and it came out pretty dang good. So she can stop saying that she doesn't know how to do makeup, because she did good. She's got my approval.
I never wear it. I never wear it out. So like I don't practice on myself. I don't wear makeup out unless I'm going like out.
And I'm the one that at 3 in the morning I'll get bored and just do a full face makeup.
Yeah, I don't do that.
So yeah.
Difference in personalities here.
Yeah. So in a couple seconds, you're going to see her having a mental breakdown, and you're going to see me trying not to laugh and also trying not to lose my mind.
You're gonna make me lose my marbles!
So yeah, I hope you enjoy. See you on the flip side. It's all you, boo.
I don't know. Primer. That's what we start with. Gotta have milk after cookies. Alright, now where's your foundation? Crap.
I can't tell you.
Why can't you tell me?
I can't tell you what anything is. You just have to do it.
Oh no! Okay. Now she's done her primer with, I should read it off. Watermelon Burst Hydrating Primer by Ciate London.
You're gonna appreciate me so much more after this video.
Yeah. Now I'm gonna put some foundation on her face. See if I can actually do it. It's L'Oreal Paris Infallible Pro Glow. I couldn't English right there for a second. And you go dot, dot, dot. And you just kind of like dot a bunch around the face. Yeah, okay. Good. Okay, look at me. And then you go around and you evaporate everywhere. I get really country when I'm explaining it. So here. I'm like really like trying to make this look good, because I just want to like impress you. From there, she used this thingy, the brightening creamy concealer.
You almost read the Spanish side too.
I did almost read it. It was almost really bad. Dream. Maybe New York. Maybe. Now I'm blending that stuff in.
You're doing good so far.
Yeah, thank you. Because I normally talk a lot, but I don't talk about anything.
Yeah. I'm the one who's like actually trying to like put in a log the whole time, and it's just weird to just be the stupid one.
It's Bella Pierre Cosmetics HD Finishing Powder, High Definition Translucent Powder.
Okay, well the actual behind baking is the reason why people like use so much powder when they're baking is because it completely cuts off like the oxygen, like the gas flow between your
Oh, that
skin.
was a lot.
Between your baking, it keeps the oxygen from like passing over your skin. So it's literally like what baking is doing is literally melting the makeup into your skin.
That's good.
So that's why it stays
I didn't
so
put
much
any
better.
cream contour. I've never like actually looked through all of your makeup. You got some fancy stuff.
That's not all of the stuff I
I
have.
know.
I have 6 smaller bags of stuff loaded.
This is a brush. It's a nice little round, little floofy, little brushy thingy. It's kind of like the one I use all the time because I only use one kind of brush. So I am going to go in with a orangey, you can see it, orangey pinky color as like the base for all the eyeshadow because it seems like a good base color to me. Now I'm going to go for a smaller round floofy brush. I'm going to layer it because I don't trust myself with dark colors. I'm going to go that one first and then a little bit of that one. I'm putting this in the crease.
Her roommate's boyfriend made us cookies, so we had to take the cookie break.
What?
I have to kind of think about it every time I look at it.
Yeah? Alright. I'm gonna go in with this blue. Just, you know, nice base blue that I can build on. Because your savings like that. Okay, I'm taking this blue and I'm putting it just on the lid.
I hate letting other people do my makeup. I have trust issues to begin with, let alone letting someone have the responsibility of what I'm gonna look like in public.
Now, because that was not the kind of blue I was going for, I'm gonna go in with the Neptune.
Of him with the coffee cup like up against his ear, and he was like, so no head, and he took the coffee cup and threw it on the ground and it blew up everywhere, and then there was a car driving by, was like honking at us. It was
So next, that was almost really terrifying. I'm sorry, I literally almost just killed Shelby. Next, I'm using Asteroid. Bro, what the fuck? Using the Electra on this one. I don't really know what I'm planning on doing with it yet. But
you're just kind of going off-road.
yeah, I mean,
You
try
had
my hardest.
You had a picture in mind?
I'm dabbing it on a makeup wipe so that it will get more pigment. So now I'm going back to this blue that I used in the first thing because it was a good blue. It just wasn't dark enough.
I just really want to have sex with Michael Clifford, but he won't let me. That's a song by Callum Hood. Oh my gosh. I'm going to see 5 Seconds of Summer in like 2 weeks. Also, Ashton, the drummer, he has a lemon tree. My mom's favorite member is Ashton. And so she's going to get a t-shirt made with a lemon tree on it.
Oh my gosh, I love your mom.
Okay. Little backstory, I'm obsessed with Five Sauce, and then after I went to their first concert, I got my mom obsessed with Five Sauce. So my dad surprised me and my mom with tickets for them in November. and I was so
And
excited.
she got famous on TikTok, or not TikTok.
I
Twitter.
did get famous on Twitter. Callum Hood followed me and liked my tweet. Use this. Oh. My brush just broke.
This is the Anastasia Beverly Hills Contour Kit Light.
That didn't work.
Yeah. And you do light brushes. Oh shit. So pigmented! My god. Highlight. That sounds like a good idea. No, blush. Okay, she uses this cute little, I don't even know what, Pixie Fresh Face blush in the color Beach Rose.
Okay, that makes me so happy because I use a different blush on you, and the fact that you know the blush that I actually use just really makes me happy.
Now I'm gonna do highlight. We're gonna use your favorite Madison Miller highlight because she loves it.
It's so pretty.
Shelby dear here.
Likes to
Like,
pack it
tack
on.
it on. Like for real, bro. Put it on my arm to keep it bow. Oh wait. So like I'm using this little bitty baby brush to put it underneath her eyebrow and in the corner of her eye, the highlight. Oh, I'm supposed to do your eyebrows. How you do that?
How you do that?
Okay, spoolie. I don't know what this is.
Maybelline New York Tattoo Studio Brow Gel in soft brown, $2.55.
And then I have an angled brush. You take the angled brush. Don't do that. What are you talking about?
She's using my NYX Professional Makeup Epic Ink Liner to do my eyeliner.
Do you
You're
want
gonna
it to
do
be
a
wing?
wing?
Or do you want me to just...
See, I always wear a wing liner.
You poor thing. Bro. You're gonna be so proud of me.
Two grubs chilling in a hot tub, 5 feet apart because they're not gay.
She just randomly just wanted to say
It was a
that.
dude.
Oh!
He's 70 years old. Which kind of makes it weird because
Yeah.
he's a weird professor. But, alright, are we ready for the reveal?
Yeah.
Okay, hold on. I'm
3, 2, 1.
Okay, it actually does not look bad at all. It looks good.
Look good.
Okay, yeah, I'm not mad about it, like, at all. The blues are hard to work with in general, especially because I don't have, like, a really good palette that has blues in it, you know? So it's kind of hard to get a good pigment, but it looks good. I'm not mad about it, like, at all. I'm proud.
Look at the eyeliner. Look at the eyeliner.
I know, I'm really proud of the eyeliner. Like, this looks like something I would do. Okay, the only thing, my eyebrows, how I do them is I'll take the gel and I'll line the bottom, and then I'll line the top, and then I fill it in.
I did it how I do mine.
Yeah, that's the only thing that I do differently than what she did. Good job.
Woo!
Success. Thank you so much for watching, everyone. Jenna actually did a really good job. I'm really proud of her. I hope you enjoyed. If you haven't watched our other videos that we've done in the past, we've only gotten 2 so far, but like, we're thriving. And subscribe, like, share with all your friends because we want to go big.
Yeah!
Bye!